Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to hide scroll bars in Windows 10. Whether you're looking to simplify your user experience or personalize your Windows settings, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Great! Now let's access the Settings menu. Click on the gear icon, which can be found on the left side of the Start menu. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, the Settings menu will appear. Look for and select Ease of Access from the available options. Fantastic. You're now in the Ease of Access menu. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Simplify and Personalize Windows. Within this section, you'll notice an option called Automatically Hide Scroll Bars in Windows. This is what we're looking for to enable this feature. Simply click on the switch located below the Automatically Hide Scroll Bars in Windows option. Once you've clicked on the switch, it will turn blue, indicating that the feature is now enabled. And just like that, you've successfully hidden the scroll bars in Windows 10. It's as easy as following these simple steps. Remember, this feature can greatly enhance your user experience, providing a cleaner and more streamlined interface. If you ever need to access the scroll bars again, simply move your cursor over the area where they would normally appear, and they will reappear temporarily. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to hide scroll bars in Windows 10. We hope you found this information helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.